Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a fly front zipper. Let's get started. First off, you want to cut out your pattern and transfer the marking of your fly to the wrong side of your fabric. The reason I've done this is because I want to have a straight line as a guide when I'm sewing. Now from the top of your pants, you want to make a long basting stitch from the waist of the pants just to where the fly ends. Now when you get to where the fly ends, you want to go back to a regular stitch and then back stitch in the beginning and make a regular stitch sewing your seam allowance. Mine is a 5/8 of an inch seam allowance. You want to sew it all the way to the end of the pants inseam. Now this stitch is done on the wrong side of the fabric. Now that that's done, you want to turn your pants over to the wrong side and give it a good press, making sure to press the seams open. Now you want to set your pants aside and then take the shield of the pants. Now this shield is cut on a fold. The width of the shield is 1.5 inches and then the length of the shield is 8 inches. Now you want to take your zipper tape and then place it right at the edge of the raw edge of the shield and make a long stitch from the top to the bottom at 1/8 of an inch seam allowance. Now that that's done, you want to make another row of stitch right at the edge of the zipper tip also. Altogether, we're making 2 rows of stitching on that shield. When you're done with that, you want to take back your pants, turn it over to the wrong side, and we want to cut off the excess of the fly on the wrong side of the pants that we won't be needing. Now why we're doing that is because the female pants fly front is made on the right side of the pants, while the male fly front is made on the left side of the pants. Now you want to take your shield with the end that we already sewed the zipper on and place that end on the allowance of the left side of the pants. When you're done with that, you want to take that to your machine and sew it at a 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. So from the edge of the pants you're sewing in 3/8 of an inch all the way from the top to the end of the fly. Now that that's done, you want to turn your pants over to the right side, making sure to remove both front and left pants out of the way and sew a top stitch right at the edge of the zipper tip of the left side of the pants. That seam we just did earlier on, we're turning it over and making it top stitch. Now this top stitch is not necessary, but it's going to help you hold the zip in place when you turn the pants over to the right side. Now that that's done, I'm going to turn the pants over to the right side of the fly. First off, I'm going to finish the raw edges of my fly with a bias tape. I hope you guys understand this explanation. Now that that's done, I'm going to pick up just my fly and I'm going to sew right at the edge of that zipper tape and then make another stitch close to the zipper tape itself. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to turn my pants over to the right side, making sure to remove the shield from the way and make a top stitch following the shape of the fly on the right side of the pants, just like this. Now you have a clean top stitch in the front of the pants. You're going to unpin it and then give it a good press. When you're done with that, you want to unpick the basting stitch you did earlier on. Once that's done, you have your perfect fly in the front of the pants. Now all that's left is to turn the pants over, finish all the raw edges that needs to be finished. If you have a serger, you should have serged your pants from the beginning, all your seam allowances from the beginning. Now I'm going to use a bias binding to close up all my raw edges, and when I'm done with that, all that's left to do is tack the shield to the fly of the pants and then we're done. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and I hope it's easy for you to follow. Next time I'll be showing you something else. If there's anything you want me to show you how to make, please leave a comment down below and I'll do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.